Hi everyone, Channelboy12 here, and today on my main channel, I'm gonna share with you guys the windy day in Chatham. I call that the windy day.
It's been 4 years for Coco, the Coco Show. Watch and enjoy his videos that I found on YouTube. Our YouTube partner that is proud to say he is. It's been 4 years.
I call this a windy day. Not too extreme windy, but windy enough. I think you actually fly a kite with this wind. I actually had to shoot the video from the bathroom window because it was so windy outside that I think I would just blow away. But yeah, it is windy today in Chatham, and I'm going to tell you guys right now that there will be another promotional video coming soon. I'm just currently filming it, so please check that out once it comes to Channelboy12 channel. So yeah, this was just a quick little video. I just wanted to share with you guys how windy it is in Chatham today, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Peace out.
Coco Show, you have watched Coco. Thanks for watching.